So what's going on, my good peoples? Coming back at y'all with another video real quick, just to let y'all know what's been going on with the 1991 GMC Sonoma S15. Let me go ahead and update y'all real quick. Foremost, we have my boy Kilo right here, about to go crazy. And for the ones who probably thinking, why he got this dog tied to the pole like that? Let me tell y'all. Y'all see the way he acting right now? He just on the pole. You can't just let him roam free like a normal dog. This dog is 2. I thought he'd been calmed down. But this joker right here, every bit of a kid. He think he an infant. Hey, chill out. But anyways, he want to be in the backyard, so that's why he right there. Hey, you gotta go back in the house. All right, but anyways, we pulled the motor back out of here. I'm out here solo dolo right now. My boy is supposed to be pulling up on me. I was waiting for the good old mechanic, but you know, everybody be busy. You know, he told me he'd help me, but you know, everybody still got their own thing to do, you know, so I gotta wait in line. So he been telling me for the longest, you need to start doing your own work. I've been teaching you how to do it. I've been trying to teach you. It all falls back to believing in yourself. So what I did, pulled the motor out of here. I'm finna pull a tranny, and hopefully I can get everything lined up and dialed in the way it needs to be, so I can go ahead and get this truck on the road. Nothing ever goes my way when it comes to these cars, but we're not gonna stop. We're not gonna give up. I know in the last video I said if this truck keep giving me issues, I was gonna go ahead and just dump the motor. When I came and I looked at it, I can't dump it, y'all. I can't dump it. I'll be stupid to dump it. Look, check him out. I told y'all something's wrong with him. Kilo, you gotta relax, buddy. But check this out. We're gonna get this transmission from up under this car. We got the Circle D 3000 stall converter. That was giving issues, as I told y'all in the previous video. But we're gonna figure it out. We ain't gonna trip on it. We got everything to get this truck started. We got the wire harness, a standalone wire harness sitting right here. We got the 460 cross member with the bolts. We got the springs. We got everything that we need. We got the draw line, 2-piece draw line. We got the traction bolt. So we had a transmission out almost 30 minutes later. Beyond tired right now. But I do have to leave. As I told y'all, after so long, wifey get to calling. Your son miss you. So it's time to get up out of here, y'all. But I got the transmission out. It took me so long because it was tilting off the jack and the torque converter in there, and there is transmission fluid in there. So it's kind of heavy and I didn't want it to fall. So it got kind of rough for me. But we got it from up under there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna finish this video up tomorrow, but I'm gonna definitely post it today. So yes sir, and I do got another video coming for y'all too. Another video for the Catalina. You guys should like this one as well, but stay tuned, guys. Once again, please do not forget about that giveaway that's coming up. As soon as we hit 800 subscribers, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell their uncle, to tell their sister, to tell their baby daddy cousin that J Hampton's finna do a giveaway. As soon as we hit 800 subscribers, the first giveaway will be a cam kit. A cam from BTR. It's a NSR cam. Basically, it's the cam only. You don't need no lifters or springs. You need none of that. Just the cam only. So with that being said, stay tuned for that. We gonna keep climbing. We're gonna keep growing. And we're gonna keep striving. But a BTR NSR cam, it's just a cam only, but all you gotta do is just throw it in your truck, your Tahoe or your Escalade or whatever you want to throw it in, throw it up in there and get going, you know. But other than that, and I think the horsepower gain on that is 66 horses is added to your engine. So with that being said, stay tuned, keep rocking, keep subscribing, and keep striving in life. We're gonna get this motor up in here one way or another. It's gonna get up in here. It's gonna be running. I can't go into the new year without this motor running. If it ain't running by Thanksgiving, you got to be running by Christmas. But we're not even gonna have it. We're not gonna have it like this for 2 months longer. We can't have it like this for 2 months longer. But I don't want to put a date on it, because every time I put a date on it, it never go right. So with that being said, we're just gonna let this thing flow. But this camera's shaking. We're gonna let this thing flow, but we definitely gonna get this thing going. Man, y'all pray for your boy, because right now I'm stressed. I'm super stressed. But we ain't gonna let it get to us. Thank y'all for rocking. Gone. But yeah, I set everything good, so tomorrow when I come, it should be easy peasy for me now. It's not in the truck, as y'all can see. But we're gonna try it this way. I strapped it down to the transmission jack already, so it ain't nowhere for it to move to. Got this, so we'll be able to mess with the lever for this right here to get it to the height that we needed. And tomorrow he will be standing inside because I can't focus with him out here because he did that the whole entire time. And it's driving me nuts. So we're gonna get this thing going though, for sure. I still got time to have it done by November 10th, somewhere around there. I still got time. It's not on my side, but I still got it. But y'all stay tuned. Game time. Well, it's been game time, but we're gonna call this halftime.